I tried Zeus Lightning Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Zeus Lightning Wallet, I thought it was just another Bitcoin app. But after 7 days of real use, the shocking truth is that Zeus isn't just a wallet, it's a window into the future of fast, decentralized Bitcoin payments. On day 1, I downloaded the app and connected it to my own Lightning node. That's where things got interesting. Most wallets keep your funds in their servers, but Zeus gives you full control by connecting directly to your node or a Lightning service provider. That means no middlemen, no custodians, just your Bitcoin under your control. By day 2, I started making payments using the Lightning network. I paid for digital services and even a coffee from a Lightning-enabled merchant. Transactions were almost instant, settling in less than a second. Most people get this wrong. They think Bitcoin is slow and expensive to use, but with Zeus and the Lightning network, it's faster than Visa. Midweek, I explored advanced features like opening and managing Lightning channels. It felt technical at first, but Zeus makes it surprisingly simple. I could see routing stats, liquidity levels, and fee rates in real time. By day 5, I tested its backup and security. Zeus uses encrypted backups and lets you safely export your connection details without risking your keys. It's privacy first, with no centralized service tracking your activity. After 7 days, the shocking truth was undeniable. Zeus is one of the best wallets for anyone serious about using Bitcoin as real digital cash. It's fast, secure, and built for the Lightning future. If you've ever wanted to see what Bitcoin can truly do when it's unleashed, Zeus Lightning Wallet is where that journey begins.